Friday, December the 17th. Time for some cruise news, and we got several stories for you today, and we'll get into all of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got several different cruise news stories for you today, but I kind of want to start with one just because I read it this morning. And when I read it, I scratched my head and I said, wow, another example of I can't believe some of the things that people say. They get that entitlement, they get that mentality in their head. And yeah, I understand, you get a little upset at a cruise line, but wow, you have to think about what you say before you say it, because it's a little bit rude. But let me read this one to you. John, sailing on the Pride in January. Instead of going to Grand Cayman, we got the third world port of Costa Maya. This is not acceptable. And my travel agent says Carnival is not offering compensation for this, which is unfair and bad business practice. Everyone I have spoken to feels this should at least come with a $100 credit. You should pull this to see I am right. Now, I'll let y'all make your own judgments on this. I realize not every port is your favorite port. You're going to like some better than you're going to like others. But to call one a third world port just because you're upset that the one that you wanted to go to just isn't available for cruising right now. And I've said it once. I've said it twice. Guess we'll say it a third time. For those out there that don't know, and I know most of my experienced cruisers out there do know, itineraries can change. You agree to the possibility of an itinerary change when you book a cruise. And just because your itinerary changes doesn't mean you're automatically entitled to compensation. But I guess the part about that really irritates me is, why call Costa Maya a third world port? Seriously, I've been to Costa Maya. I liked it. I would go back again. Could just be me. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. So we have a brand new cruise port that opened up called, and I may be saying this wrong, Taino Bay? T-A-I-N-O. Taino, something along the line Bay. It is in the Dominican Republic. So the MSC Seashore was the very first cruise ship to ever visit that particular cruise port. They're in the Dominican Republic, and it is about 7 miles, give or take, up from Amber Cove, where Carnival Cruise Lines currently docks. And besides MSC, several other cruise lines are planning to visit this new cruise dock, including Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines, Celebrity Cruise Lines, Oceania Cruises, Virgin Voyages, and Regent Seven Seas all have planned voyages. The new cruise port in the Dominican Republic. Royal Caribbean's Brillance of the Seas resumed sailing yesterday from Tampa, Florida. Just doing 4 and 5 night sailings to the Caribbean and to the Bahamas. And with the Brilliance's started sailing, that is now 19 out of 25 Royal Caribbean ships that are back in service with paying passengers. The island of St. Kitts, well, they are having the busiest week they have had in a very, very long time. Definitely pre-pandemic kind of busy. This week alone, they are going to have 21 different cruise ships stopping there across its 4 ports. So cruises back in the Caribbean are definitely up. Visits are definitely up. Port stops are definitely up. I mean, we got 21 ships in St. Kitts. We have a brand new port opened up in the Dominican Republic. I mean, cruising is looking better and better every single day. More choices, more options. Just, watch out for those third world cruise ports out there, because everyone that you speak to will tell you that. In quotes, very sarcastically. I'm not actually meaning that, just in case you missed it. And finally, Carnival Cruise Lines. Well, they have decided that they are going to create their brand new, very own word. And what word is that, you might ask? It's going to be Funderstruck. Yep, Carnival's new word is Funderstruck. And it is designed to get people to choose fun again, book a Carnival cruise on one of their cruise ships. And I'm going to go ahead and throw up a clip here that Carnival did of their new word, Funderstruck.
Funderstruck is ready to get thunderstruck?
I am.
Thunderstruck!
That's when you know!
You got Funderstruck.
Thunderstruck!
And Carnival says that Funderstruck is going to be the unmistakable feeling that you get when you choose fun on a Carnival cruise ship. So let me know what y'all think below. What do y'all think of Carnival's new word? Are you ready to get out there and book yourself some Funderstruck? Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.